Slang word today's, folks, and I think you want to know this one. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have sırtık. Sırtık. Sırtık is cheeky, brazen, impudent, or smirking. Let's use those. To be cheeky enough to ask for more. An impudent remark in the meeting. To wear a smirk and grin. Let's see, what do they mean in Azerbaijani? Daha çox istemek için sırtıq olmaq. Daha çox istemek için, daha çox more. İstemek için to ask more. Sırtıq olmaq, to be cheeky enough. İclasda, iclas is a meeting. Sırtıq bir söz or sırtıq bir söz demek. Those fit well with an impudent remark in the meeting or to make an impudent remark in the meeting. Üzündə sırtıq təbəssüm saxlamaq. To wear a smirk and grin. Üzündə, on the face. Saxlamaq, to keep, to retain, or to have, you're going to say olmaq. Üzündə sırtıq təbəssüm olmaq, üzündə sırtıq təbəssüm saxlamaq. Let's use those in some sentences. O, daha çox istəyəcək qədər sırtıq idi. He or she was cheeky enough to ask for more. Daha çox istəyəcək qədər means enough to ask more. How? Was cheeky. Sırtıq idi. O sırtıq idi. He was cheeky. How much? Daha çox istəyəcək qədər. Enough to ask more. Let's see another one. Müəllimə sırtıq cavab verməsi heç də yaxşı qarşılanmadı. Müəllim, we know it. His or her impudent remark or reply to teacher was not well received. Teacher, müəllim. Sırtıq cavab verməsi, impudent reply or impudent remark. Heç də was not actually. Actually, heç means none, actually, like zero. Or like wasn't at all, basically. Yaxşı qarşılanmadı, yaxşı is well, qarşılanmadı, not well received, not received, basically. Yaxşı qarşılanmadı, not well received. Qarşılandı, was received. Qarşılanmadı, was not received. Müəllimə sırtıq cavab verməsi heç də yaxşı qarşılanmadı. That was my way of using today's slang word sırtıq in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. Let's see what I have for you in terms of dad joke uses. Stop giving me that sırtıq smile. It's working and you know it. See how I'm pronouncing sırtıq? I'm not saying that. I'm saying sırtıq, sırtıq, sırtıq. Is like r, h. You can go between those. Sırtıq, sırtıq. Okay? Thanks so much for coming and watching today's slang word. Come back tomorrow for the last word of the week. Until then, you know what to do. Cheers.